A $5 million grant will allow KU scientists to explore the storage of carbon dioxide. KUJH-TV's Alyssa Rainbolt has the story.
The Kansas Geological Survey recently received a $5 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy to conduct research on the storage of carbon dioxide. The evidence gathered will be used to determine if CO2 can be captured, transferred, and safely stored in geological units, or porous rocks, thousands of feet beneath the surface of Kansas.
The places that's a likely candidate for it is Kansas, because a lot of the geologic units here have produced a lot of oil over the years. We know a lot about them. It's the kind of subsurface formations that are capable of taking large quantities of CO2.
The idea of capturing and storing CO2, known as geological sequestration, arose from global concerns about CO2 and its effect on climate change and global warming. The most common source of CO2 emissions is power plants, like the Westar Energy Center located in North Lawrence. If geological sequestration is proved feasible, CO2 could be captured from plants like these, shipped underground, and stored in units here in Kansas. The project itself will involve gathering detailed data on rock intervals beneath the Earth's surface, where CO2 would be injected during geological sequestration.
It's about a mile beneath the surface in this location. It's about 1,000 feet thick, and the CO2 would be delivered to this rock in a near liquid form through a borehole as part of a series of injection wells.
KGS geologists Lynn Watney and Saibal Bhattacharya will lead the investigation, and they'll be joined by scientists from across the state. Research will commence this month, and the grant has a 3-year contract. Alyssa Rainbolt, KUJH-TV News.
For a map of the research sites and more information, visit our website, inkansan.com.